With a price of only $2.50 per cutting board, you can import a product that can both cut and serve as a decorative tray for food. Can you believe it? With a lower MOQ than the market average, you can wholesale a wooden cutting board that functions both as a traditional cutting board and a modern decorative piece at a super profitable price. In this video, we present an incredible opportunity for business owners and wholesale buyers to own high-quality products at the most favorable prices. The hottest wooden cutting boards on the market at super competitive prices, manufactured at our factory, and a trusted source for many businesses. These cutting boards are the go-to choice for quality and reliability. Teak wood cutting boards. Currently, it is the most loved product on the market. Teak wood stands out for its high durability, excellent water and termite resistance, and beautiful wood grain, adding natural elegance and luxury to the kitchen space. This is ideal for those seeking a perfect combination of functionality and aesthetics. Beech and ash wood cutting boards. Both types of wood are hard and durable, suitable for food preparation without damaging the knife edges. Beech and ash wood are also easy to process and resistant to warping, ensuring long-term use. Acacia wood cutting boards. With warm colors and beautiful wood grain patterns, acacia wood cutting boards not only highlight the kitchen space but also offer water and termite resistance. This is an ideal choice for those who appreciate luxury and superior functionality. We commit to using food-safe wood materials, combined with advanced technology and the craftsmanship of skilled artisans. Each product undergoes strict inspection to ensure it meets international standards for quality and safety. Why we confidently claim our wooden cutting boards are the best choice for you. Outstanding value. With prices starting at just $3.05, you can own a high-quality product, meticulously crafted from the finest woods, ensuring exceptional durability and aesthetics. Multifunctional design. Our cutting boards are not only useful tools for food preparation, but also impressive decorative pieces for the kitchen. The perfect combination of functionality and aesthetics helps you save space while maintaining elegance. Diverse designs. We offer a variety of styles and designs, from modern and sophisticated to classic and traditional. You can easily find a cutting board that matches every taste and kitchen style of your customers. Guaranteed quality. Made from high-quality wood materials, each cutting board undergoes strict inspection to ensure durability and long-term use. We commit to providing products that exceed your expectations. Dedicated customer service. Our team is always ready to support you from the ordering process to delivery. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. One of the reasons that makes the business reputable is the production technology and the skills of the workers and experts at our factory. Advanced production technology. We use the most modern production technology to craft wooden cutting boards, from wood processing to surface finishing. Automated machinery and CNC technology ensure precision and uniformity for each product while minimizing human intervention, enhancing efficiency and product quality. Experienced craftsmanship. Our team of artisans has many years of experience in the industry, with meticulous skills and attention to detail. The combination of craftsmanship and modern technology ensures each cutting board is not only visually appealing but also durable and high quality. As a direct manufacturer without intermediaries, our prices are extremely competitive while ensuring product quality in every batch. Consistency in each product brings satisfaction to customers and profitability to businesses. We look forward to partnering with you in supplying high-quality wooden cutting boards. Our entire team is committed to supporting you 24/7, providing all the necessary documents and assisting with everything from product selection consultation to handling import-export procedures. Do not hesitate to contact us today for a quote and detailed information about our products.